Hey Dino Kids! Ever wondered if fish go to the doctor when they feel sick? Well, get ready to dive into an underwater world where tiny creatures act as doctors for the big, colorful fish of the sea. We're going on an adventure to a vibrant coral reef. Imagine a bustling city, but instead of buildings, there are colorful corals swaying gently in the water. Fish of all shapes and sizes dart in and out, their scales shimmering like jewels. Sunlight dances on the sandy bottom, creating a magical underwater playground. Our guide today is Diver Dolphin. He's a friendly dolphin with a bright yellow diving suit and big, curious eyes. He loves exploring the ocean and learning about all the amazing creatures that live there. But today, Diver Dolphin has a little problem. He noticed a big grouper looking a little sad and sluggish near a coral cave. That's strange, he thinks. Grouper usually loves to swim and play. Diver Dolphin swims closer to the grouper. Hello, Mr. Grouper, are you feeling all right? He asks. The grouper sighs, his big lips drooping. Oh, Diver Dolphin, he moans. I feel so itchy and uncomfortable. Tiny little somethings are bothering me all over. Diver Dolphin, being a helpful friend, decides to investigate. He circles the grouper, carefully examining his scales. I see them, he exclaims. Tiny little, well, they look like little specks clinging to your scales. Those are parasites, Mr. Grouper, Diver Dolphin explains. They're like tiny little bugs that can make you feel itchy and unwell. Mr. Grouper groans again. Oh dear, what am I going to do? Just then, Diver Dolphin spots something amazing. Near a bright orange coral, he sees a group of tiny, colorful shrimp waving their long, white antennae. Wait a minute, I know who can help. Diver Dolphin exclaims excitedly. He leads Mr. Grouper towards the orange coral. These are cleaner shrimp, Mr. Grouper. They're like the tiny doctors of the reef, Diver Dolphin explains. They have special stations where fish come to get cleaned. The cleaner shrimp, tiny and almost see-through, with bright blue and red stripes, seem to dance in the water, waving their antennae invitingly. One brave little cleaner shrimp scurries onto the grouper's fin. What are they doing? Mr. Grouper asks, a little nervously. They're eating the parasites off your scales, Diver Dolphin replies. The cleaner shrimp are removing all the tiny things that are making you feel itchy. It's like going to a car wash, but for fish. The grouper shivers a little as the cleaner shrimp work their magic, carefully picking off the parasites with their tiny claws. Diver Dolphin explains, cleaner shrimp eat the parasites, which gives them a tasty meal, and it helps the fish feel better. It's a win-win, he adds. Some fish even line up to get cleaned by these amazing little helpers. They know the cleaner shrimp are there to help them stay healthy. As the cleaner shrimp continue their work, Mr. Grouper starts to look much happier. His scales shine brighter, and he even manages a small smile. Wow, he says, I already feel so much better. These cleaner shrimp are amazing, Diver Dolphin nods. They're a vital part of the reef, helping to keep all the fish healthy. After a while, the cleaner shrimp finish their work. Mr. Grouper swims around, feeling refreshed and energized. Thank you, cleaner shrimp, and thank you, Diver Dolphin, for showing me this amazing place, he says gratefully. He swims off to join his friends, no longer sluggish and itchy. Diver Dolphin smiles. He learned something really special today. He realizes that even the smallest creatures can play a big role in keeping the ocean healthy and balanced. The cleaner shrimp are tiny, but they are incredibly important doctors for the reef. Diver Dolphin waves goodbye to the cleaner shrimp and swims off, ready for his next adventure. He thinks about how the ocean is full of surprises and amazing partnerships, like the one between the grouper and the cleaner shrimp. I can't wait to see what else I'll discover, he exclaims. So, Dino Kids, remember the tiny cleaner shrimp. They teach us that even the smallest creatures can make a big difference. They are the unsung heroes of the reef, helping to keep the fish happy and healthy. Just imagine, little doctors helping giant fish every single day. Isn't the ocean an incredible place? What other amazing partnerships do you think exist beneath the waves? Maybe you could research other helpful creatures and share what you learn. Keep exploring, Dino Kids. The world is full of wonderful discoveries, waiting to be made. Item 1. We're going on an adventure to a vibrant coral reef. Item 2. Our guide today is Diver Dolphin.